Buster Baxter was not known in his short term for being corrupt. He was seen as a unifier. Recently unearthed evidence from his meeting with the founders of the LPC paint a different story though. Buster Baxter would retire to his presidential house, or the local treehouse, where he would be briefed on a rematch race against Mighty Mountain. We can see here that Buster's personal security guard, Shelly Binky Barnes, is standing at the base of the tree. Binky was reported replying to a question posed by Baxter asking, "What does the LPC stand for?" Binky would reply, "The Loser Patrol Squad." In the presidential house, Muffy would go on and deny a phone call which was meant for Buster Baxter, essentially cutting off all info Baxter can get from the outside world while in the LPC's presence. Baxter would be handed a speech. After reading it, he determined it to be too harsh on the school's rival. LPC member Francine Frensky would quickly reply to ease Baxter's nerves and coax him into reading the speech. Baxter would hesitantly agree, putting the nationalist ideals of the school, pushing one of their ideals, unity, to the extreme. Buster Baxter would now be entering a new scene. Almost everybody loved him. With an iron fist on the elementary school, Baxter would fan the flames of militarism and nationalism. As he would leave the treehouse, something would happen that would forever change the course of the LPC. In our next video, we talk about how people who went against the LPC might have been the two who took it down.